Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your internet bedroom on madeonverse.com. So go to that website and you can either connect to your Spotify or your Apple Music. I'll just select Spotify because that's what I have. And I've already logged in and authorized the app, so make sure you do that first. So log into your Spotify, and then here is my internet bedroom, super swifty. Here you'll see like some items at the right here. You can also customize more, and you can even play the song. I don't have it enabled. I don't know where this, oh, okay, it's a canvas. So it shows like the songs I've been listening to as well. Obviously super Swifty because I listen to Taylor Swift a lot. And yeah, to save it, you're just going to select save and share, and it's going to download the image for me. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.